Very good morning to my lecturer and the viewers. I am Tashna Devi, daughter of Selvaraja. My metric ID is C220374. So today I'm going to review an article from Text 3. So let's look the next part. So what is the possible title for the text? I think is the world really bad as we think? I think this is the best title for the article. So why do I choose the text is, despite the frequently unpleasant news we get in the media, this piece is an engaging article that questions our pessimistic view of the world. Let's move on to the next part. What is the purpose of the text? The text's goal is to educate the reader on population, increased poverty, and violence in the world while challenging the negative impression that is frequently presented in the news and media. So, who is the intent audience of the text? I think general adult audience are interested in current events and global problems. Is the most likely text intent audience. What is the thesis statement of the text? The thesis statement of the text is, despite how the media portrays the world, there is evidence to show that in terms of population increase, poverty reduction, violence, things are actually getting better. So, in the each main ideas have topic sentence. So the first one is, by 2100 it is estimated that there will be 11 billion people on the planet. However, the rate growth will likely drop due to decline birth rates. So the second is, the decline in fertility rates is a result of advances in science and medicine which have decreased infant mortality. And the third main idea, despite the fact the money is concentrated among few number of people in wealthy nations, the world population now belongs to the middle income category and more poverty peoples. So the last body paragraph is, despite the fact that there are still civil conflict and terrorist attack, data indicate the violence is actually declining. The next part is, does the topic sentence relate to the thesis statement of the text? I think yes, the topic sentence do in reality support the view that the world is actually improving despite what the newspapers frequently claims. So how does the author present the argument to support the each topic sentence? So the author presents the argument in an analytic way, using data and historical endnotes to support the each topic sentence. So are the arguments convincing? The author provides evidence and figures to back up their arguments, which is demand persevere, similar to how violence crimes and murder rates have declined globally over time. This suggests that the world may not be as violent as depicted in the media. So are there opposing views and how these views counter-argued? The text does not explicitly present opposing view, but it does acknowledge that some of the statistics may seem alarming. So let's move on to the last part, conclusion. A. Can you relate the text's main ideas to experience or related the situation to the Malaysian context? So I related the situation to the Malaysian context. The major terms of the text are related to the entire world population and implies some positive changes in the term of population growth and a decline in violent crime. With regard to the Malaysian context, The country has a relatively small population, such as 32 million, compared to other countries. However, motion is not spared to issues with poverty, inequality, and violence. The next is how important is the information in the text to you as a student. I think this text is very important, so students should be familiar with the content of the text because it highlights some positive advancement in the world that they might not be aware of. It also provides a chance to understand how factors like poverty, violence, and inequality affect population growth global. Thank you for the viewers who view my article review.